be making a origami plane. So when you throw it, it literally turns and then falls where it goes. So let me show a trial round. And whoop! Did you see that flip there? Okay, now let's begin making the video. All we need is one A4 sheet. So you take this, put it straight, from this edge to the other edge, fold it. Keep the page standing. Now crease it so that the plane is sharp. Okay, now you open this. Take this edge here and fold it to this edge, to the center line, as you can see. So it comes like this. Do it for the other. The same. And now the edge should be very sharp. Only then your plane is gonna be. So now you take this edge here and fold it to the center line. Like this. So it's like this, and do the same for the other side. And remember, the top part should be quite sharp, and after you do it, it should look like this. See, you can see the top part sharp. Now take this edge, fold it to this edge so that the wings come properly. And then crease it with your fingers. And then take this edge. You can see the half center line here. Take the top edge, fold it here like this. So we crease it. And now it looks like this. So now you can see this edge, fold it to this edge here, to the center line. And it looks like this. Do the same for the other side. This top part should be sharp. Okay. And you can see this half triangle here. So if you want the grip, you can fold it over here. I want some grip so that you can hold the plane easily. So you take this triangle, fold it to the center line here, as you can see. And then it will look like this. Then from this edge to the other side, fold it. And then you open it. So we're almost done with the plane. Now fold it the other side. And then crease this part tightly so you feel comfortable and the plane goes properly. And then as you can see, here's the grip. So you can hold it like this and throw. So you can see the plane side here. I take this part, fold it here, so it looks like this. Crease it. It's like this. Do the same for the other side. now you open it. The play looks like this. So thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe and watch my next video on how to make an origami spear. Thank you.